Let's go. Come on.
What starts as a routine shoplifting stop is about to turn into a life or death struggle. As security escorts the suspects to the back office, the pair appears to cooperate. The male suspect reaches into his jacket and returns a stolen item. It looks like a surrender, but it's a calculated move to lower the guard's suspicion. Seconds later, the situation turns deadly. The suspect reaches into his waistband and draws a concealed handgun. He attempts to shoot, but the weapon fails to fire. Sensing the immediate threat, the guard lunges forward, tackling the gunman and wrestling for control of the weapon. In a matter of seconds, quick reflexes and a mechanical failure prevent a tragedy. Tap, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.